Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video on rationalising surds. So what we need to do when we are rationalising surds is try and get rid of the surd on the bottom of the fraction. So we do that by timesing by a special 1, which looks like this. Because if you times anything by 1 it just stays the same, and root 2 over root 2 is equal to 1. Times the tops, 1 times root 2 is root 2. Times the bottoms, root 2 times root 2 is 2, and that is your surd rationalised. You can do that with any surd that's got a fraction that's got a surd on the bottom. So if I had 5 over root 7, I would times it by root 7 over root 7. So times the tops, 5 root 7 over 7, root 7 times root 7 is 7. That's the final answer there. If these have a common factor, you can do some cancelling at this point. So if I do this one, 4 over root 2, and I times by root 2 over root 2, I get on the top 4 root 2, root 2 times root 2 is 2. I could then cancel with these, so then the final answer would be 2 root 2. Obviously it gets a little bit more difficult, so if I want to rationalise a surd on the bottom which has a number with it, the 1 becomes the complement of this bracket, and what I mean by that is we change the sign and we keep the two things on the outside the same. So this is 5 minus root 2, 5 minus root 2, times the tops, we have 4 times 5 minus root 2, and then the denominator is expanding two brackets, so 5 plus root 2, 5 minus root 2, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times root 2 is 5 root 2, but it's minus, root 2 times 5 is plus 5 root 2, and then finally root 2 times root 2 is 2, and it's minus there, so minus 2. Minus 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 cancels each other out, so I'm just left with 25 take away 2, which is 23, and that's my denominator. You could further simplify it by expanding this bracket, so 4 times 5 is 20, and take away 4 root 2, all divided by 23. At this point, if you had a common factor here, you could also do some cancelling, but we don't. Okay, thanks for watching.